Hey guys, welcome to Resize, and in this video I'm going to show you how to resize an image in your Photopea. So first go to photopea.com and you'll see this website. Now from here just click on new project and then select any template. Alright, so if you want to resize an image, just click on file, open. Let's open this image over here. Let's delete this. Alright, so if you want to resize this, all you have to do is first let's select this tool, and then from here let's select it up to here, copy this, go here and paste this layer. So once you're here, all you have to do is click on this arrow and then click on transfer controls, and from here you can just resize it that way. So that is how you can resize image in Photopea. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.